I think everyone feels stressed at some point or another. Sometimes just like the pills, and I have to do daily spirometry, and it all kind of gets to you sometimes. And I have an infection right now, so that was kind of stressing me out because it was right around exams. And
at first, they're all strict about it, I woke up and then give me a couple of days, and then it was like a military drill, taking medication. You gotta do this, you gotta do that. You can't. You're gonna have to be out of school for 3 months, which was a killer. I mean, I'm in grade 8.
Like when I first stayed away from school, like yay. And then when the days went by and the months, and I was like, okay, I'm bored. I don't want to go back. So eager, but that was hard.
What things make me feel stressed is my parents, because they act like they know everything about it when I'm the patient who went through it. Yes, they were there, and I understand they know a lot, but they don't understand what was going, I don't even remember, but what was going through my head during the whole thing. And what also frustrates me is my friends don't understand, and you try to explain it to them as simply as possible, and they don't understand.
The social experience, I mean, the girls. I mean, I was missing that, but it was okay. But for me, the worst aspect was how the medications affected my moods. I mean, especially prednisone, high doses of it, I was a bit, a little crazy. Sometimes I'll be happy 1 minute, cry my eyes out for the next couple hours, and
also just all the emotions you feel through having a transplant after you leave from sick kids and you're able to go home, they all kind of hit you at once.
The kid, it doesn't really come to my mind. I just want to enjoy what I have at the moment. I don't really want to focus on the imminent problem. It was just distant to me, and
like music calms me down, and it's just, I don't know. Every time something stressful or big happens, my iPod's always there, and it makes me feel better.
I've talked to a couple people about how stressed I've been, and they were all really good, so talking it out is good.
I'm constantly writing down all my emotions and what happens throughout my day, and you should also keep a pill diary. So like say you're on, like me, prednisone, write down prednisone and like what day it is, and then say what effects you're having from it. Just so when you go back to your doctor, you can tell them what's going on.
I mean, it's gonna be there whether you do something about it or not, so you kind of just have to get through it. And emerging on the other side, it's like a giant breath of relief.